Hello, fellow Mastermind Webinars. Jimmy Schwinn here. Hope you had a wonderful weekend. Wanted to do a quick update video, and I will make it quick today. Got a lot going on. So, wanted to let you know that I updated and added some videos, webinars into the back of the members area under marketing training. So, this attraction marketing website overview video shows you basically why it is important to have a blog or a website to build yourself and position yourself as a leader and to generate leads and to control your digital reputation by having blog posts and then optimizing them for your name and, of course, the keyword. And then the next video, keyword research and content creation, shows you how to do keyword research and then how to create content around that keyword to post on your attraction marketing website. And then this next video, Content Syndication Part 1, shows you how to start syndicating that content, meaning distributing that content in order to start bringing people back to absorb it and to opt in for your free training or your free PDF or whatever your lead magnet or what we call the bait is. And then Content Syndication Part 2 takes it to the next step of distribution of your content. Content Syndication Part 3 takes it to the next step. And then we get into social media marketing basics. This is what I do with my jimmyschwinn.com website and other things that I show you in the webinar itself. And then LinkedIn marketing basics is what I do with my LinkedIn profile. And then Facebook marketing basics also is what I do. And this gives you the basics that you need to understand social media and to start generating leads off of it. And then again, I have another mastermind trainer here that teaches you, got a free book on LinkedIn and then a web class. And again, I want to say, and I know I say this throughout my training and also through my getting started video right here. If you haven't watched that, really important because it's not about me just going to the back office. It's explaining to you why these things are important in this back office. And again, this is free. So I'm going to send this out to everybody on my list, and I'm going to give you the link again to sign up. If you have not signed up, I don't know what you're waiting for. It's free. It's not costing you anything. I don't inundate you with 4 or 5 emails a day. I might send out an email a day or an email every other day. I'm not inundating you. If you like what I'm doing back here, then hey, show me some love, join the tools under me. Anything that's an affiliate link, like the free books or anything like that, join under me. And then you get more emails of special training that I do live. And again, I will be adding in the month of March, I will be adding a mastermind group membership. I'm going to be limiting the number of members because the goal of this mastermind group is to get everybody that belongs to it producing income online. So unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to take a lot of people in it. If you have an interest in it, you can just respond back to this email, let me know, so you're the first people I contact, one of the first people I contact about it. And then I'm also setting 20 hours aside per month, and I will be charging business consulting at a reasonable price. And when you're a mastermind group member, you're going to get a discount on that hourly rate. That's going to be 5 hours a week that I'm going to work one-on-one with people to get it done, to stop studying and start taking action to get results. And again, 75-80% of my day I spend on my business that I train on in these webinars. And these are multi-million-dollar businesses. So I do this daily with my team. And again, I'm teaching you everything that I'm doing in Mastermind Webinars. I'm teaching you what I'm doing for these traditional businesses. And again, it's all for free. But I will be adding the monthly membership or yearly membership for the Mastermind group. I will be limiting that. So if you want to get involved in that, it will be coming out in March. Let me know. And I will put you on another list and make sure you get the first email, because once I get to the number, and I'm thinking about 50 people, at the most 100, maybe 50 to start out with, and really perfect this beta group And then I'm going to increase the price and I'm going to open it up to more people. But for a few months, I'm not going to open it up to anybody. I'm going to be working with this group to make sure they've got what they need to make a profit online with their existing business, or they're wanting to get a business online. That's what I'm going to be focused on. And most of those people will be eating all my hours up that I have available, which is only 5 hours a week, because I'm also going to be doing a couple hours of webinars per week for the mastermind group. So I wanted to give that update and let you know that 2018, you can make a profit online. I've been doing this for 20 years, and there's not one business that I've ever got involved in, as long as it's had the capital and the people that weren't involved in it didn't get the ego and the greed. We've always been able to take it to thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, and then to millions every single time. And as long as you've got something, a product or service that has a demand, and we can wrap that into a blue ocean. And again, watch this getting started video if you haven't watched it. I tell you what a blue ocean is. You want to be in the blue ocean with your product and service. You don't want to be in the red ocean of competition where everybody's undercutting your prices and it's a mess. And I show you how to do that with whatever you're doing, okay? So you've got all these webinars here now in the back. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 new ones that were added this weekend. Actually, I took these out of my Lead Recruiter Pro system. I copied them out of that and decided that I was going to give these for free to everybody that's a free member of Mastermind Webinars. So enjoy them, get into them. If you have questions about any of these videos, any of this training back here, all you have to do is click on the Mastermind Webinars Facebook group, join it, and then ask a question. Don't be afraid to ask questions. I'm here to answer them. My mastermind trainers are here to answer them. We're here to help you succeed. We're building this to help people build a profitable business online. We want to help you master your online business success. So thank you for watching this video. Again, if you have not joined the mastermindwebinars.com, go to mastermindwebinars.com. I'm going to put a link in the email. Click on that, put your email in, then use your email again, choose a password, and boom, you're back here. Okay? How much, if you can't even do that and get free training from somebody who's produced hundreds of thousands of leads in multiple niches and tens of millions of dollars in multiple niches, how will you ever build your business successful online if you can't even do an email and a password to get access to free training? Where somebody who only emails you once every other day, or at the max once a day, and I don't even do that. So again, what I'm looking for is to build a huge membership, which I will, in mastermindwebinars.com, of people that need help, and we're going to give you the help. And then again, show us some love by joining in the tools under us, getting the free books through us, and all of that. And again, learn how to master your online business success. So again, thank you for watching this video. God bless, and have a wonderful evening. Take care.